The question number 115, a step-up transformer will, they are given 4 options. The first one is increases the current in secondary, the second option is increases the voltage in secondary, the third option is decreases the power in secondary, and the fourth option is decreases the voltage in secondary. Okay, a transformer is the static device that transfers the electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit or from one winding to another winding without changing a frequency, but it may change voltage or current. Okay, a transformer is classified into two types, that is a step up transformer and the step down transformer. Okay, in step up transformer, the number of the turns present in the primary winding is less than the number of the turns present in the secondary winding. Okay, in step down transformer, the number of the turns present in the primary winding is greater than the number of the turns in secondary winding. This is for step up transformer. Here in this step up transformer, the number of the turns N1 is less than N2. In step down transformer, N1 is greater than N2. But in the question they are asking for step up transformer, so we are considering a step up transformer. Okay, here N1 is the number of the turns present in the primary winding and N2 is the number of the turns present in the secondary winding. Okay, and we knew that a transformer works only on AC circuit. Whenever we give a AC signal, AC current, okay, whenever we give a AC input current to the primary winding, due to change in the current, a magnetic flux is produced. Whenever we increase the current, the magnetic flux will also increases and it linkage to the secondary winding of the transformer. Okay, and whenever there is a change in the magnetic flux, then an EMF is induced in the winding, so that a voltage V2 is induced and this voltage is greater than the input voltage. That means a step up transformer will step up the voltage. Okay, and here iron core is we are using. This iron core is transfers the magnetic flux without a air gap. Okay, so we are using a iron core, and this step up transformer can be solved by using one example. Okay, consider if we are taking a number of turns in a primary winding as 5 turns, okay, and N2 as 50 turns. Okay, and we knew that for AC voltage it is 230. Okay, 230 or 240, we are taking 240, V1 as 240, then we can easily calculate the voltage V2, that is the voltage which is present at the secondary winding. How? We are using this formula, that is we know that the number of the turns in the primary winding is 5 divided by the number of the turns in secondary winding is 50 is equal to V1. V1 is the input voltage at the primary winding side. Okay, this is 240 and we are calculating V2. V2 is equal to 240 into 50 divided by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 tens are, we are getting V2 as 2400 volt. That means we are giving only 240 volt, but at the output side, that is at the secondary winding of the transformer, we are getting 2400 volt, so that it step up the voltages. Similarly, consider if we supplying a input current of 5 ampere. Okay, consider input current of 5 ampere and we have to calculate the current I2. Okay, then by using this formula, that is N1, we already knew that the number of the turns in the primary winding is phi and the number of turns present at the secondary winding is 50. Okay, and I2 is the current flowing at the secondary winding. Okay, we are finding that current, and I1 is the input current. We are giving the current to the primary winding, that is 5 volt. Okay, that 5 ampere. What happens is 5 5s are 25 divided by 50 is equal to I2. So we are getting I2 as the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 ampere. Okay, we are supplying input current of 5 ampere, but at the output side this is I2. Okay, this is I1 and this is V1. We are giving a current of 5 ampere, but the output side we are getting 0.5 ampere. That means a step up transformer will step down the current, but it step up the voltages, because we are giving a 240 volt input voltage, but at the output side we are getting 2400 volt. So a step up transformer will increases the voltage in secondary. That is option number 2.